At G Appliances, we make a lot of goods. We have 9 manufacturing plants that make everything from dishwashers, refrigerators. Generative AI is going to transform business, transform the lives of our consumers. A lot of companies are trying to keep this ring-fenced in their IT departments, and we feel that's a mistake. This needs to be put in the hands of everybody.
We were really built around the idea of zero distance. How can we deliver experiences that really delight our consumers in their home? SmartQ is our app that connects our consumers to their appliances. Traditionally, the SmartQ app provided 2 primary capabilities. One was reporting and monitoring, and the second was command and control. With the advent of generative AI, we've been able to expand those capabilities well beyond just the connected experience. People are using Flavorly AI, for example, to meal plan every single night. With Gemini, we have built this capability within SmartHQ to snap a picture of grandma's recipe, and within seconds, it's within your SmartHQ experience. We've had more consumer interaction with those 2 products that we delivered than we traditionally have with a lot of our connected capabilities.
Generative AI really is changing the consumer experience. We're really getting even closer every day to what that consumer is needing to do to run their household. We're learning at a faster pace. We're answering questions faster. Using BigQuery and Vertex AI, we've built a filter clogging analysis, and we're sending that information back to the consumer through SmartHQ that says, hey, it's time to clean your filter. 85% of the consumers that receive this message from us are taking action based on what we're giving them. Gemini really is a game changer in terms of speed and efficiency.
Working with Google Cloud is so important for us at G Appliances because we knew generative AI was the future. We can take something and put it in production in weeks, where before we were talking months or years. So this is transforming how we work, the way we work, and the speed we work at.